We can't wait to share with you the experience that we had at the Post Hotel in Leavenworth, Washington. Leavenworth is a Bavarian village with Alpine-style buildings, lots of German food, beer, museums, and shopping. Nestled in the Cascade Mountains, Leavenworth immediately transports you to another place in time. Within this unique community lies a luxury resort like we had never experienced before. The Post Hotel, located alongside the Wenatchee River, is essentially a wellness retreat. It is an absolutely gorgeous hotel, offering many experiences as part of your stay. The relaxation lounges, saunas, steam rooms, various pools and spas are all included. The breakfast buffet, lunch options, and evening coffee and tea service are also included. They do offer a wide range of European-influenced spa treatments that come at an additional cost. There are also seasonal activities such as golf, bicycle rentals, snowshoe, and cross-country ski rentals available as well. We will share with you more about the pool and wellness area and the dining experience that we had later on in the video, but for now, let's get started with the room tour. We stayed in room number 1, which is located on the ground floor, also known as floor -4. You will be given a key card that will open the heavy wooden door that leads to your room. As we walked in, the first thing that we noticed was just how big the room is. It's really beautiful. The mattress and the bedding were seriously the most comfortable that we've ever experienced in a hotel. There were lots of pillows and the bed just felt very clean and very high-end. The lighting was nice on both sides of the bed and there were ample outlets and charging options. The couch was super comfortable and we enjoyed relaxing on it after walking through town. One of the greatest things about being on the ground floor is that we had these French doors that opened up onto the patio with 2 really comfortable chase lounges. This was great for getting some sunshine and some fresh air during the day and having a cup of tea in the evening as the sun set. If you walk out onto the grass, you can actually see where the river flows by and also where the outdoor pool area is located. Heading back inside, you can see that we have the fireplace on. It was a bit chilly and rainy when we arrived, and the fireplace just warmed up the room so nicely. Across from the bed is the desk area, where you'll find the burlap shoulder bag with 2 luxurious robes and slippers that are there for you to use during your stay. Most guests walk around the hotel and spa, and even the dining and common areas in their robes. There is a large TV located above the desk. The water bottles are complimentary and great for throwing into your bag to have just a little extra water on hand for the day. And also on the desk, you'll find glasses and an ice bucket. Inside the desk, you'll find a refrigerator, a safe, which is really nice to have when you're traveling, along with all of the other things that you'd expect to find: paper, pens, the phone, a lamp, some resort information, and a menu. One thing to note is that the large cedar chest that you'll see in the hallway is actually a secret cooler filled with small bags of ice for you to use during your stay. To the right of the desk is a huge wooden armoire that smelled really good. It had tons of space and organization. Lots of shelf space, hanging space, and a couple of drawers at the bottom. Inside you'll also find some hangers, an extra blanket, a luggage rack, an iron, and an ironing board. As we move on into the bathroom, you can see that it has a huge rolling pocket door. There is a large marble vanity with double sinks, great lighting, and big bottles of really nice hand soap and body lotion. On the bottom shelf, there were tissues, a hairdryer, and some cotton swabs and makeup wipes in that little marble box down there on the bottom shelf. At the back end of the bathroom was an enormous and gorgeous freestanding marble bathtub. From what we understand, these tubs are actually carved out of a single piece of marble and are plenty large enough for 2. It was immaculate and probably the coolest feature in the bathroom. The water closet was a very nice size. And moving on to the shower, you can see here it is floor to ceiling marble tile. It was very clean, beautiful, and spacious. The hotel provides you with really high-end quality shampoo, conditioner, body wash, exfoliating scrub, and bar soap that all smell amazing. You can choose the rainfall shower head or the regular shower head, both with really nice water pressure. There was no shortage of towels either, and the towels were extra thick and really soft and absorbent. Overall, we found this room to be extremely comfortable and very clean and spacious. The wellness and relaxation experience is the reason that most people come to the Post Hotel. When you walk into the pool and wellness area, you'll be taken back by how gorgeous it is. There are layers of different spaces. Hot tubs, the saltwater pool, the lounge area where the awaiting attendant will gladly give you a tour and help you get settled into your own personal space. As you walk in, there are large arch-shaped windows to the right that look out onto towering trees and to the outdoor portion of the wellness area. There you will find the extension of the saltwater pool, outdoor spa, fire pit, and lounge areas. To the left, you'll find an array of steam baths and sauna rooms, which were our favorite part of the experience. Although we couldn't film in the rooms, we did take pictures of the area and the signage so that you could see what is offered. There is also a relaxation room with individual water beds for you to snooze on or just relax and read a book. There you'll have a beautiful view of the trees outside. There's also a beverage station in the area where you can get coffee, a variety of teas, and infused waters. My favorites in the wellness area were the EIS sauna and the herbal steam rooms. My husband really enjoyed the floral steam room and the Earl Hole sauna. Whatever you choose to do in this space, it will surely prove to be calming and relaxing. As you can see from the pictures of our food, the Post Hotel offers amazing meal choices. Everything that we had was really delicious. It all tasted very fresh and rustic and homemade. The portion sizes were plenty for us, however, you are allowed to order as much as you'd like. In addition to the menu items at breakfast, there was a small buffet of additional accompaniments, such as breads, jams, honeys, berries, whipped cream, scones, and other pastries. At lunchtime, these choices included small bites like charcuterie items, meats, nuts, cheeses, crackers, and breads. In the evening, the Post Hotel offers tea and coffee service in addition to sweet treats. The pistachio gelato was our favorite, but the homemade brown butter cookies were a close second. We took pictures of the menu to give you an idea of what some of the other offerings are. One more tip we'd like to share with you is that in addition to the regular coffee, which was delicious, there are also some specialty coffees available to you as well, such as vanilla lattes, chai lattes, and mochas. Our time spent at the Post Hotel is for sure one of our top 3 favorite travel experiences. We thoroughly enjoyed every aspect of our stay, and we can't wait to go back and visit again. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel so that we can share more of our Trees and Seas travel experiences with you. Thank you for watching.